GreenTown was once a cool little paradise. Until it wasn't.
It's like an oven out here. My plants are crying for help. This heat wave is no joke. If this keeps up, my tomatoes will throw in the towel.
You're sweating bullets, dear.
The lake's dried up, the ACs are working overtime, and folks are dropping like flies.
This town's going down in flames, literally and figuratively.
Well, we can't just sit on our hands. It's time to take the bull by the horns.
We're in hot water. Our carbon emissions are off the charts.
Trees have been cut left and right. The Earth's crying out for help.
We need a plan. Let's think outside the box.
All right, team. Solar panels, community gardening, carpooling. Let's get the ball rolling.
Count me in. I'm not just a pretty face.
We've planted 500 saplings, organized 3 cleanups, and people are finally seeing the light.
This was no walk in the park, but look at the results.
We've still got miles to go, but Rome wasn't built in a day.
This town turned over a new leaf, all thanks to your efforts.
It's high time we all pulled our weight to protect the planet.
GreenTown 2.0, cooler, cleaner, wiser.
To saving the planet, one idiom at a time.
When the heat turned up, the people of GreenTown didn't just sweat, they acted. They showed that no challenge is too big when responsibility, creativity, and community join hands. And along the way, we picked up a suitcase full of idioms.